Today I want to talk about Sunlu 3D printing filament, and I want to give my honest review on this filament brand. Specifically PLA because that's what mostly I've been printing with, so this is my honest review on Sunlu PLA filament. Like I said, I've been printing with Sunlu PLA a lot, and my 3D printing projects have been turning out really good. The quality, ease of use, and affordability of this filament make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned 3D print enthusiasts like myself. First of all, the print quality with Sunlu PLA is top notch. The prints come out with a smooth, clean surface finish with excellent detail. I've used this filament for a variety of prints, including detailed figurines and larger functional parts, and the results have been consistently impressive. The filament produces strong, well-adhered layers, which is crucial for a durability, and in my honest opinion, it passed that durability test. The final products turned out great. Bed adhesion with Sunlu PLA is another highlight. I've been printing on a standard bed. Well, I guess I've been printing on a lot of different beds, if we're being honest. And the filament adheres perfectly right from the first layer. This strong adhesion minimizes warping and ensures that the prints stay in place throughout the printing process. It's a huge relief not to have to constantly worry about the print's details or having the print fail midway through it. I've recently used Sunlu's blue PLA to print a series of custom coasters for a client, and I couldn't be happier with how they turned out. And when I say a client, I mean just like a friend asking me to print some stuff, let's be honest. The color is vibrant and consistent throughout the spool, and the prints were flawless. The filament extrudes smoothly with no signs of clogging or inconsistent flow, which is a testament to its high quality. There was a bit of stringing on some of the more intricate parts, but it was minimal, and I can clean that up pretty easily in the post-process. One thing that stands out with Sunlu PLA is its consistency. The filament diameter is uniform, which is crucial for achieving high-quality prints. I've had some issues with other brands where diameter inconsistencies cause extrusion problems, but with Sunlu, I haven't faced any of that. Sunlu PLA is very versatile when it comes to print settings. I've experimented with different temperatures and speeds, and the filament has performed well across all the range of settings. This flexibility makes it easy to dial in perfect print settings for various projects and printer configurations. Another thing I like with Sunlu PLA is it's affordable. Sometimes a lot of these high-quality print brands, their filaments are expensive, and that's not Sunlu. This is especially important for those of us who print frequently and need a reliable filament that doesn't break the bank. Customer support from Sunlu has also been commendable. They are responsive and provide helpful tips and information to ensure my printing experience. I reached out to them. I had some questions about printer settings on like which type of filament to use, and they got back to me right away, so I gotta say the customer support. I can't say how happy I am using Sunlu PLA. It's like super budget and cost effective, and the prints turn out amazing. Consider buying this stuff using my affiliate link in the description or comments, and I'll also throw links to my other 4 favorite brands that I'm constantly using to print things. Hit me up in the comments if any questions. I'm a normal dude and I will reply, and consider subscribing. The print has finally finished, and I gotta say, it looks pretty dang good. Let's take it off the plate here. All right. Man, this thing's cool, right, guys? Look at this thing. Let's go test it out. This thing is beastly. All right, which sword do you want? Big one or small one?
Small.
Small one? All right, let's battle. Oh no, it broke. We'll put it back together.
How did that break? You win.